Jonathan, happy birthday.
You like my...
I think your hat's cute. Look at you. How many drinks have you had so far?
1, 2, 2.5-ish.
2.5-ish. You're good. This is only the pre-Jonathan.
I'm fine right now.
Oh, he's got a little baby. Up right now.
John, I can't see anything at all. It's just a black screen.
Like,
Say hey.
it's Santa calling.
Oh!
Trent, are you sure you didn't have anything to drink?
I haven't had anything to drink. What's up?
I like it.
John, say happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday to me.
Look at his little medieval times hat right there. Here, he's gonna talk to Jatana right now. She's coming in May, so I can't wait. There's Kevin, he's lit up too. And this is Jenna. This is the drunk woman with the crazy man hair. I'm completely sober.
Get that camera out of my face, man. Okay, so she said 7 a.m. We're staying until 7 a.m. Then when I get the trash, and then I want to see what
I know, Trent wants to talk.
Let's get